everybody, this is Laurel from the North Raleigh Seed Library and of course Mavis, and today I got a joke for you. Are you ready? Okay, so what did the Pink Panther say when he looked at his garden after a drought? Dead plants, dead plants, dead plants, dead plants, dead plants, dead plants, dead plants. So anyway, that's what we're going to talk about today is dead plants. They're not really dead. Well, they're kind of dead, but you can give them a new purpose, and I'm all about it. I'm so excited. So I was at a local nursery, and guess what I found? The best dead plant ever. It has so inspired me that I have dead plants in my compost, like shrubbery dead plants, that I'm going to pull back out. I just can't even tell you. Okay, so let me show you why I'm so excited and why you need to be excited that the drought killed your plants too. Okay, ready? It's not all bad, I promise. Okay, check this out. Oh, isn't it fantastic? The most beautiful dead plant you've ever seen. So, guess what? You know I am a rose person. Let me set the stand up. And you know where this conversation is going. So, what an amazing way for me to trail my roses right up. So, you say you've got crappy green vine in your yard and you hate it and blah, 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 blah. I know. Take that crappy green vine and use it on a dead plant and make you a topiary. Sculpt it into the most beautiful arch you've ever seen. Get a couple of dead plants, just tall ones. They're your frame. They're sticks, right? Basically, when all the leaves or foliage falls off, you have a frame you can work with, and you can start building up your trellis, your arbor, your topiary. You are feeling something cool and amazing here. So that's what I'm going to do today. Stay tuned. It's raining. Oh, you know what's kind of fun? I cannot wait. You know, I'm like super duper impatient. So what I'm going to do is turn the camera so it doesn't get wet onto my Alice in Wonderland garden, and I'm going to go over there and let you watch me do my thing. All right. If it doesn't work out, who cares? It was a dead plant. See you in a bit. I don't know what you just witnessed, but I witnessed perfection. If you're in insurance, you probably witnessed slip, trip, and fall claim, or accidental tool claim, or, well, insert fill in insurance claim. time here. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this how not to plant in a dead tree video, and how not to yank out existing rose bushes to replant them. Everything I did was wrong, but somehow it felt so right. So I'm very, very happy. But okay, so I think in jokes. I don't know why my mind is like this, but I think in cartoons, I think in jokes. It's just me being me. And so you remember that old song, 50 Ways to Leave Your Lover? Slip out the back, Jack. Make a new plan, Stan. Don't need to be coy, Roy. Just listen to me. Well, the whole time I was digging the hole for the topiary, which will soon be a rose topiary, I was singing that song as if the topiary was talking to me, the dead one. It was like, leave me alone. Please leave me alone. But no, I am just so excited that this is an opportunity to go dig out all the dead plants that I've thrown in my compost bin, all the shrubbery, and make a new form out of them. So I don't know. I'm impatient. I want to get there as fast as I can. Not always the best way, but it's a way. And so this way I can get these plants growing, these vines growing, all this stuff growing tall faster and sooner than later. See,